Ito ang latest chika. Nagsiset ka ba ng boundaries to protect your relationship with Bel Mariano? Yan ang diretsang tanong kay Donnie Pangilinan. Sabi niya, oh yes, kailangan talaga. Especially, nasa mundo kami ng intriga. Kailangan na kailangan talaga to set boundaries. Sabi pa ng aktor, kasi ang boundaries, hindi yan kawalan ng tiwala, hindi yan pagiging controlling. Boundaries are limits that protect, respect, and peace. Hindi lahat ng bagay okay, kahit mahal mo pa. May mga dapat itigil, may mga dapat iwasan, lalo na kung alam mong makakasakit. Boundaries mean knowing when to say no. It's choosing your partner's feelings over the temporary attention. And it's understanding that love without limits will always cross the line. So sa tamang relasyon, hindi mo kailangang ipaglaban ang boundaries mo kasi kusa nila itong nire-respeto. Because boundaries don't push love away. They keep love healthy.